okay? Our fiat, that dollar bill, is technically just debt that we hold, okay? Crypto.
Hold on, wait, say that again. Say that one more time.
Okay, when you hold a dollar bill, right, you're holding debt, okay? And it probably doesn't tie to some, gold or gold-backed currency that they tell us that money is, right? Is based on debt, okay? And so crypto is the replacement of that debt because crypto is tracked, right? It's on the blockchain, so it's decentralized. So there's no way for you to be like, I need to borrow $1 million, right, from the bank. That won't happen on crypto. Okay. It's a transaction. Okay. If I go to work, right, if I go work warehouse jobs or work at fast food and they want to pay me in crypto, right? Well, everything's digital. So I clock in, right, at this time, clock out at that time, and based on that, that time slot and my time rate, I get paid whatever. And that could all be done on the blockchain.